Hello, students. This is your English lesson. Today we will read unit number 14 from Oxford Reading Circle, book 7. Students, here is a poem called Night Mail. Now read the poem together. This is a night mail crossing the border, bringing the check and the postal order. Letters for the rich, letters for the poor. The shop at the corner, the girl next door, pulling up buttock, a steady climb, the gradients against her, but she is on time. Past cotton grass and moorland boulder, shoveling white steam over her shoulder. Snorting noisily, she passes, silent miles of wind-bent grasses. Birds turn their heads as she approaches, stare from bushes at her blank-faced couches. Sheepdogs cannot turn her course, they slumber on with paws across. In the farm she passes, no one wakes, but a jug in a bedroom gently shakes. Down towards Glasgow she descends, towards the steam tugs yelping down a glade of cranes, towards the fields of apparatus, the furnaces set on the dark plain like giant chessmen. All Scotland waits for her in dark glens beside pale green cloths. Men long for news. Letters of thanks, letters from banks, letters of joy from girl and boy, receipted bills and invitations to inspect new stock or to visit relations, and applications for situations and timid lovers, declarations and gossip from all the nations, news, circumstantial news, financial, letters with holiday snaps to lodge in. Letters with faces scrawled on the margin, letters from uncles, cousins, and aunts, letters to Scotland from the south of France, letters of condolence to highlands and lowlands, written on paper of every hue, the pink, the violet, the white, and the blue, the chatty, the catty, the boring, and the adoring, the cold and official, and the hearts outpouring, clever, stupid, short and long, the typed and the printed and the spelt all wrong. Thousands are still asleep, dreaming of terrifying monsters, or a friendly tea beside the band in Cranston's or Crawford's, asleep in working Glasgow, asleep in well set Edinburgh, asleep in granite Aberdeen. They continue their dreams, but shall wake soon and hope for letters, and none will hear the postman's knock without a quickening of the heart, for who can bear to feel himself forgotten? Exercises A questions. 1. Where is the train coming from and where is it going to? Answer. The train is coming from England and is going to Scotland. 2. What clues are there to tell us what the countryside around Glasgow is like? Answer. The poet gives us various clues to tell us what the countryside around Glasgow is like in stanza 2. He tells us that the scenery is mostly industrial. The fields of apparatus and the furnaces are set on the dark plain like giant chessmen. Glasgow is probably surrounded by steel industries. 3. What are the different types of mail that are carried by the train? Answer. Various types of mail are carried by the train. It carries letters by relatives and lovers. It also carries invitations, letters conveying condolence or appreciation, bills, check, postal orders, official letters, as well as pictures from holiday trips. 4. Why do most people anxiously await the mail? Answer. Most people anxiously await the mail as it might give them some important news, interesting gossip, or some invitations they had been awaiting since long. 5. Have you ever waited for the postman to deliver something? Answer. Yes, I have waited for the postman to deliver my result cards. B. Words and meaning. One finds suitable expressions in the poem to describe the following. A. Postman's knock. B. Working Glasgow. C. Clever, stupid, short and long letters. D. The hearts outpouring. E. Terrifying monsters. F. Friendly tea. G. Timid lovers' declarations. 2. Find references to the following in the poem. A. Colors. The answer is the colors are in the poem the pink, the violet, the white, and the blue. B. Cities. Here are the cities as mentioned in the stanza: asleep in working Glasgow, asleep in well set Edinburgh, asleep in granite Aberdeen. C. Countries. Answer is letters to Scotland from the south of France. D. Human qualities. Here are the qualities: dependability, the gradients against her, but she is on time, diligence, past cotton grass and moorland border, shoveling with steam over her shoulder. E. Relations, letters from uncles, cousins, and aunts. F. Geographical features. Here are in dark glens beside pale green lots in stanza 2. 3. All these have some connection with the railway. What are they? A. Platform. B. Station. C. Carriage. D. Shunting. E. Junction. F. Engine. C. Discuss and write. What do you feel when you think you have been forgotten? How can we help others not to feel this way? Answer is I feel quite sad and miserable when I think I have been forgotten. We can help others not to feel this way by meeting them often and writing to them every now and then. Besides sending messages on social networking sites, sending them gifts or giving them a call once in a while can also make them feel important and special. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.